What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel.
All
right, so we got the Hulk home. The Hulk is gonna be spending some time in there.
What'd you do?
Figure out what's wrong with it. It'll switch through the gears, but it won't go anywhere. I don't know what's going on. Well, guys, as many of you know, this is all part of the game of being a biker, riding Harley-Davidsons or any motorcycle for that matter. We have no clue what is wrong with it, but it is on the trailer, and we are going to now take it to the garage to figure this out. There's always going to be something that pops up or some type of mechanical issue. The Hulk behind me here has almost 71,000 miles on it, clutch is stock, transmission, all that fun stuff. Had a little bit of an issue. Yesterday morning I noticed a small click when taking off your first. Kind of similar in sound of like your first gear click. As soon as I would let out on the clutch and start moving slowly, you'd hear a little click and then it would go. So I took off from the light, first gear, went to go pass a vehicle, put it in a second, let off, gave it some gas, and then the bike went nowhere. I had to pull into a parking lot, and basically the bike was just idling while in gear with the clutch fully engaged. I can still go through all of the gears, no problem at all, 1 through 6. So I don't think it's an issue with the transmission. I'm hoping it's not an issue with the transmission. The perfect scenario would be I take this primary off and the clutch is either fried, maybe the throw bearing screwed up, a spring is messed up. I hope it's something very, very simple. It's not the belt, I checked that, and it's definitely not the clutch cable, I checked that as well. So leave me a comment, you guys. Let me know what you think. This is part of the game, part of being a biker. You got to be able to work on your bike. At any rate, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think it is. Is it something just as simple as the clutch being bad, or something with the clutch basket? Let me know, and we'll find out, because I will keep you guys informed. Thank you guys so much for watching. All about the ride, all about the adventure. Stay safe out there. Later.